Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. We have the official trailer finally for Pond Man, which stars Basil Joseph and Shajan Gopu. So the teaser itself was very intriguing and very interesting. It's a very serious kind of film, considering both the actors have such impeccable comic timing. So yes, let's not delay this any further. Let's watch this trailer right away. Duck catching competition. Based on what? Did I miss
അവന്റെ പെങ്ങളുടെ കല്യാണം
Okay.
25 പവൻ കൊടുക്കാൻ നേരിട്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്.
Miss that.
പിന്നെ നമ്മളൊപ്പിക്കണോ?
നമ്മളിതൊരു പ്രശ്നമുണ്ട്.
എവിടാ പ്രശ്നമില്ലാത്തത്? എത്രത്തോളം പ്രശ്നം? അതാ പ്രശ്നം. അത് പറ.
സാധനം ഇതുപോലെ അല്ലടാ, അവൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ചെയ്യുന്ന.
Oh, in an as.
ഞാൻ കള്ളിന്റെ പുറത്ത് എന്റെ കുത്തിന് പിടിച്ചു, നീ പച്ചയ്ക്ക് എന്റെ കുത്തിന് പിടിച്ചു. കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലേ?
Pond Man. So it's Pond Man or Man?
മനസ്സിലായോ? നീ നിന്റെ കുടുംബത്തിന്റെ അവസ്ഥ ആലോചിക്കണം. നിന്റെ പെങ്ങടെ കെട്ടുവരുവാന്ന് ഓർത്തോണം.
പിന്നെ നിങ്ങൾ എന്നെ നന്നായിട്ടൊന്ന് ട്രീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. എൻജോയ്മെന്റ് എനിക്കൊരു ത്രില്ലാണ്.
അവൻ കൊണ്ടുപോയി വല്ല കാര്യത്തിലും താത്തിയാലേ
The underdog story.
രാജേഷ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് കാര്യമൊന്നുമില്ല.
വാശി ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചെന്ന് വാങ്ങിച്ചിട്ട് വരാനല്ലേ പറഞ്ഞു. വാശി ഉണ്ടടാ. എന്റെ ചോറിലാടാ നീ നിന്റെ പെങ്ങളും കൂടെ മണ്ണ് വാരിട്ടത്. ആ മണ്ണുള്ള ചോറ് തിന്നിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ എന്റെ പൊന്നു വാങ്ങിച്ചോണ്ട് വരുവാടാ.
ഓ എന്നാ പിന്നെ ശരി, തന്റെ വിധി പോലെ.
അത് കുഴപ്പമില്ല അളിയ. ചങ്കുറപ്പുള്ളൊരുത്തൻ വന്നെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു. പി അജേഷ്.
Piagesh. There's some of that gold.
നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിൽ ഒരു 10 കോടി രൂപ നമ്മളിവിടെ വന്നിരിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമുണ്ടോ? ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ വന്നിരിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമുണ്ടോ?
അതില്ല.
100 രൂപയ്ക്ക് ചാള കിട്ടും. നെമ്മീൻ കിട്ടോടെ?
കിട്ടൂല.
തെണ്ടാൻ പോകുന്ന ഇതിലും ഭേദം.
ആരുടേത്?
Oh my god, this is quite interesting, huh? Guys? Okay. I think that end fight is going to be like I feel maybe that is like the climactic fight. It seems like a big deal over there because you just see they are just going in all hand to hand completely and they are rolling themselves in the mud, but it has to do with getting that gold. Wow, this is I like this premise actually. This film feels very rooted to this particular place. The duck catching event is also pretty prominent, I feel. Then you have this whole fiasco that is going on between Shajan and Basil, because Basil, everybody probably considers him like again this innocent and very meek, shy guy, but he's like, then he's P.P. Ajesh, the underdog story. So he's like, I am going to be now this angry person and I'm going to get my gold back. And because I have been screwed over enough. He is like, I have been screwed over enough, not anymore. I am getting what is rightly belonging to me. So basically for the wedding, the remaining amount of gold that is supposed to be lent, it is fulfilled by Basil Joseph's character, right? But now, and I think it's supposed to be like a loan or something, and he's just supposed to lend it for the wedding and then he's supposed to take it back, right? But now then probably, I don't know if it's Lee Jo Mo's character, maybe she wants the gold because there is this shot where it's shown that she's looking at the gold, right? So it's probable that she says, oh, no, I want to keep this gold, it's for me, I'm not giving it back. Now what will this guy do, because they're like, oh, this is probably Basil Joseph's character is a bhola bala type of guy, we'll just pull in our punches and he'll go away, right? But he's like, whatever happens, I'm going to take my gold back because it's mine, I was supposed to give it to you as a loan, so it's not yours, you've not bought it, right? So that's, I feel, the whole fiasco goes on there. But it's such an interesting premise. It's not very complicated, it's a very straightforward plot, but I think when I see the trailer, I feel that the execution is going to be amazing, and the way it is being presented, oh my god. Okay, I like this, I like the trailer. Now I'm getting, after watching this trailer, I kind of got the premise of the story and I am quite intrigued. Like, I want to see how this all turns out, to what lens both the parties, because one party wants to keep the gold, another party wants the gold back, right? So till what lengths both of them are willing to go to get what they want. Oh wow, that's so cool, right? I enjoyed this. Are you looking forward for this film, and what is the hype like? Please let me know in the comments. Yeah, and that was the reaction to Pon Man, or how is it? Because it's in and out, so it's Pon Man or Pon Man. What is it? So let me know. So that was the reaction, and yes, those were my thoughts. I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.